This is Daisy with Line Dance Salt Lake, Utah. Are you ready to get your line dance on? Let's learn the steps. We're going to start with our weight on the left leg. It's going to begin with 2 steps out. Right, left, kick right, step down on the right. We do a left coaster step, and then a right kick ball change. Kick, ball, change. Section 2 is identical to section 1. Walk, walk, kick, step, coaster, step, kick, ball, change. The next section is right heel out, step together, left toe. Left heel out, step together, right toe. Heel, step, toe, heel, step, toe. The next section looks like this. Kick, kick, sailor, step, kick, kick, sailor, step. Section 5, step out on the right, behind with the left, triple to the right. Step forward on the left, half pivot around, and shuffle forward. And that's the whole dance. We're on our second wall, ready to start the dance again. So let's learn the dance again with some counts. Okay, here we go. Weight is on the left again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And that's If My Heart Had Wings. Hey, thanks for watching. You could be a line dance slut too. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on the dance floor.